This girl's weird over here.
I am.
She means it.
I do. And he can't film like that because he always doesn't get me. It's funny.
Shut up, Sarah.
Make me.
No.
Hey, remember when I got 96 and a 95 in IT?
No. I refuse to accept that. I absolutely refuse to accept that.
Well, it's true. Remember, you know how I don't know how to use a USB
This
cord?
girl's an idiot. She doesn't know. She had never heard of a USB, and she doesn't know how to use one. This girl's crazy.
I am crazy. Why do you think they call me Nutter?
Yeah, that's her last name.
Yeah,
You look like a ghost.
I know I'm so pale.
This girl's insane. Get me away from her. Do you see what she does to me? Do you see what she does?
You know you liked it.
I did. I did like it. You know I did.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did. Come on. Anyone who says this is not a cute picture, you can go to hell.
Yeah.
This is very cute.
We're the cutest couple ever.
We are. Peace out.